right, folks, what we have here is a 2023 Honda Accord. We are going to reset the oil life light. All right, so you have to have the key fob on or close to you. We're going to turn the ignition on without starting the car, which is pushing it twice. It's going to open up the dashboard screen here. We are going to be using this wheel right here. All right, so right now it says the hood's open because I just parked it over here because we have to do an air filter. But anyway, we're going to use this wheel and we're going to spin it. It's reminding me that there's 15% maintenance due. That's fine. What we're going to keep going is we're going to pass the start, hood open, maintenance due. We know that. I'm just rolling it up. We're going to go into vehicle settings. You can push this button in. I'm going to call that the enter button, okay? So we've got the wheel, vehicle settings, going to hit enter. Now we're going to go into here. Now you're going to use the wheel again. You can go up or down, either way. You will find it. It's going to say maintenance reset. So we hit the button again. Okay, and it's going to say maintenance reset A12, item 7 only, item 5 only. Okay, you can reset them all if you want, or you could just reset one. Okay, I'm going to reset all due items. I hit enter. Reset completed. There you go. All right. If you go into the A and the B and you look into that, you can see that in the manuals. A lot of it has to do with rotating your tires, changing your air filter, and all this other stuff. We're doing the air filter now, and tires are fine. I'm not going to rotate them at this time. We're going to reset it, and it resets everything. Okay? And that's it. Just shut it off, and you are good to go. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Just in case you guys want to double check it, I'm just going to do this for you. Same thing. Ignition twice. Going to go into using this wheel again. We're going to go into the maintenance, and oil life is 100%. Okay? There you go. Thanks for watching again. Ciao.